what do you want, murderer?
So what do you want, murderer?
No more screechy, please!
Yeah, sounds totally reasonable, Dora. Can do.
But what is it that you can do?
Sigh. I guess we'll never get Pin or Pillow back.
Check this out.
I'm so glad you guys remembered to bring me back.
Can you leave now?
No.
Well, can you at least stop?
Let's play a game.
I love games! What's wrong?
Don't you want to battle to win a prize?
But what is the prize?
A BFDI.
I love that prize!
Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Hey, can you quit your shenanigans and tell us when—
4, can you quit your shenanigans?
Okay, 4, I'm willing to do this favor for your friendo X, but wouldn't it be easier for both of us if X gets down from that freaking tall pillar first? Hello, 4? I mean, it was just a suggestion, but you don't have—
Goldie and Gady and Golf Ball and Ice Cube and Lollipop and Taco and Teardrop and Tennis Ball back, right, 4?
Mighty. Is... Sing.
4 votes!
assemble or—
Here today.
Hey, I drew that! Be nice!
Pen.
You are a disgrace to the entire art community, and the entire world would rejoice if you never touched a piece of paper again, ever! I'd rather take the screech.
If you say so.
Give her a dose of the screech, will you please? Ugh!
Those loud noises.
Whatever.
Then buy our revolutionary earmuffs.
Hey, wrong! Oh, I've been forgetting to do this, but as a host, I should punish you for getting these wrong.
Donut, that's just an audio recording of 4, not the real deal, so of course there's no effect.
Oh, no effect? Let me try it.